Hi guys, Arup here from tripglobally.com. I am in the city of Lucknow and I wanted to give you a little bit of tour of my hotel room where I'm staying. So the name of this hotel is Hotel Maple Leaf, and this hotel is located in the city center in Hazratganj. So I got a room with double beds, but I don't need double beds. You have two pillows and one workstation. You can get your work done here. And you get some nice view outside. Sunlight during the daytime. And you have one flat screen TV. I didn't use a single day. This is my bag. You have one mini bar and tea coffee maker. You can make your own tea or coffee. And this is one mini bar. And this is big wardrobe. And let me show you the bathroom. So you have one shower, but this is very small. It's okay for one person. And you have one sink. And the toilet is also adjacent. So I'm staying here for 7 nights and I had to pay around 1500 Indian rupees. If you convert it to US dollar, it becomes around 22 US dollar. And the room comes without breakfast, but I think since it is a 3-star hotel, so this is a very good deal. Now let's go outside and take a look of the lobby and also the restaurant. So room number 309. So you got one elevator. Smoking here is an offense.
ये सारे ठीक पढ़ लिया ना, कल कोई नहीं होगी, रहमान सर ने लिख दिया था।
This is a restaurant. This is a fine dining restaurant where you can have different types of cuisine. And this is the lobby area, quite spacious lobby. You get different newspapers. This is the entrance. The Hotel Maple Leaf, central, classy and comfortable. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this room tour of my hotel room in Lucknow. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.